In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app. Now select one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then click on Files next to Stickers. Over here you can select one of your files right away or tap on those filters at the top. In this case, audio and video. If you want to, you can also pick one of those apps or select 3 lines at the top left corner and click on one of those sources, like audio. Now hold your file that you wish to send and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!